Hello everybody and welcome to another video. This is Hugger Nation 9. Also call me Landon. My real name is Landon. And today we have the mother of all mothers, the Tumbler. Okay, it's not completely done, but it was good enough for me to show you. I just couldn't wait to show you all. This is like the biggest set I've ever built. So this is amazing. I love it. The detail is nice. I love the detail. Super duper nice, son. Those wheels are so huge. Look at how I'm holding them. That's how big they are. And then I'll turn it to the side real quick. Now this is humongous. It's way bigger than my hand. Look how I'm holding it. That's how big it is if you don't have it. And this wheel is huge. That's 2 wheels, actually. Oh. So, Patty, don't mess this up. Aw, look at me. The inside, nothing really much. Just some seats, some stickers. It's really hard to show you all. Now I'm going to show you image of the back. So, yeah. Like I said, it's not done yet. It's 3/4 to being done. So, it's almost done. Still need to do the refinishing things. And this is such a cool set. Little lights right here, golden. I like how they add in the golden pieces. They didn't have in the movie. Hey Patty, you're on YouTube. So, kind of dusty. It's been hanging around. Pretty cool. Now I'm going to show you the minifigures. The minifigures are really cool. Got a huge Batman's cape, and Joker really doesn't have a golden knife. And Joker does not come with a golden knife in this set. You probably should know that. I don't know. You can try to. Yep, that's them. Oh, I'm screwing this up. I'll show you. Yeah, pretty cool. These wheels are just so huge. I really like this set. It's collectible. It's not meant for playing. It's one day not to play with. Yeah, this is the Tumbler. Hope you all enjoy. The only reason why this is such a short review is because there's nothing really much to it. Because, it's a collectible set. It's hard to show you the inside, but in the inside, just to let you know, it's like not figure size. Like the seats are huge. You can fit like an action figure in there. So yeah, hope you all like this video. I'll see you all later. Subscribe.